Hey folks, I have a really beautiful tenor to show you today. Number 935 for repeat customer Tom. It's really turned out great. Yeah, the top is some beautiful curly Port Orford Cedar, which is always a showstopper. It just looks great, but man, it is so crisp and beautiful sounding. And I had some curly Port Orford Cedar for the neck as well, some little walnut stripes. The back and sides is some cherry, but it's kind of a bird's eye cherry. It's got all these teeny tiny little pecks in it. My friend called it, I think he called it hummingbird bird's eye. It's just teeny tiny little figure in this cherry, which I've never really seen before. From far away, it just looks like cherry. Up close, it's got a lot going on. It's really fun to put that together. Kind of a cathedral match here on that flat sawn cherry. Just simple walnut binding, and then some beautiful grafted and sapwood pistachio here for the front and for the bridge. And Port Orford Cedar as a top wood, when you play soft, it's so sweet, but it's also got like a really bright, detailed, punchy sound for playing loud. Yeah, it's a great balance. So, 935 tenor. I'm really proud of it. Cheers.